Almighty Allah, the most merciful and gracious. First of all, I want to present you the unforgettable gift of our Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, which is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to impart my topic about good student. Wish you listen from the bottom of your head. Good student is a student who gets up early in the morning. He gets ablution from morning prayer, performs his prayer, then he recites Holy Quran. After recitation of the Holy Quran, he eats breakfast and goes to school on time. A good student knows his classmates and respects his teachers. When his teacher teaches him, he listens carefully and carefully performs his homework and on time. When he comes back from school to house, he greets his family members. After that, he school to house, he greets his family members. After that, he washes his hands and face. Then he eats lunch. Thanks for your attention. Wish you